because I'm married one of them. My husband is from Batch 66, 8 years younger than me. Felino Javier, pamangkin ni Bernie Javier of the Science Department. Felino, don't be ashamed, stand up. And of course, my Batch 67. And ang pinakabunso sa mga tinuruan ko, Batch 68. Thank you very much, and if you come to Toronto, see me. I'll give you a good dinner. Thank you.
Okay. Sound check.
We now proceed with the traditional batch call. As your batch is called, please rise to be recognized. Batch members are allowed to create noise, either by clapping your hands or stamping your feet, but not to exceed 10 seconds. You are reminded to not to bang your heads, or you will be in trouble. The President of the Board, Ms. Mercy Paredes, is now requested to do the singular honor of calling batch attendees.
May we call on batch 58. Please rise to be recognized. Meron pa ba tayo? Batch 58? Wala na. Batch 59. Ay, si Tata Boy San Diego na lang natin tira. And then next, of course, our golden jubilarians this year, Batch 60. Siyempre, batch ni General Reyes yan. Batch 62. Batch 63. Isa na lang. Batch 64. Batch 65. May mga balikbayan mo palang dumating sa batch 65. Si Miss Reggie Tolentino, galing Newport. Miss Araceli Danielas, Kabilin. Mr. Angel Esteban. Mr. Norman Bandoyon. And Mr. Art Cobarulla. Next, batch 67. Marami ho sila eh. Marami silang balikbayan. 30. Hindi na yata natin isa-isahin na. 30.